previous classes, we have studied the basics of cardiovascular system, and we have also studied the drug acting on cardiovascular system, and we have divided cardiovascular system acting drugs in two major classes. One was antiarrhythmic drug, and second one was antihypertensive drug. Antihypertensive drugs act on hypertension. And before studying drug acting on hypertension, we will study about the hypertension, why it happen, what is the normal range, and what are the factors that leads to hypertension and how it is controlled. All these things will help us to study antihypertensive drugs in upcoming classes. So let's start with hypertension. What is hypertension? Normal blood pressure of a healthy person is 120 by 80 mm of mercury. Hypertension is also known as high blood pressure. It is a long-term medical condition in which blood pressure in arteries is persistently elevated. That means continuously lies in higher range. The systemic blood pressure more than or equal to 140 mm of mercury, and diastolic blood pressure more than or equal to 90 mm of mercury is considered as hypertension. Types of hypertension: four major classes are given here. Systolic blood pressure between 120 to 130 mm of mercury, and diastolic blood pressure between 80 to 89 mm of mercury is considered as pre-hypertension condition, whereas systolic blood pressure between 140 to 159 mm of mercury and diastolic blood pressure between 90 to 99 mm of mercury is considered as hypertension stage 1. Systolic blood pressure more than or equal to 140 to 150 mm of mercury, and diastolic blood pressure more than or equal to 100 mm of mercury is considered as hypertension stage 2. Fourth stage of hypertension is related to pregnancy. Pregnancy-induced hypertension occurs due to increased production of hormones and enzymes during pregnancy stage. It may or may not disappear after the completion of pregnancy period.